In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from Cashapp to bank account without card. First option is to link your bank account. Tap on your profile icon at the top right and click on Linked Banks and then Link a Banking. Follow the prompts to link your bank account directly to your Cashapp, bypassing the need for a debit card. Option 2. Get a cash card. Tap on the card icon at the bottom left. Get a cash card for free and choose your preferred style. You can add cash to this card at stores like Walgreens or CVS, making it a convenient option without linking your debit card. The third option is to receive cash from someone. You need to have someone you know send you cash through the Cashapp, and you can pay them back in physical currency, allowing you to add cash to your Cashapp without using the debit card. And that's it. These are the 3 ways you can add cash to your Cashapp without linking your debit card. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.